Bhoi District Kadegaway District Kablashakin to Bhaka Aspirational District Hapokari Hi Brockway, Barkabayo Ruban Bad Yakanam Baninkong Kumka Aspirational District Hakalianga Health but Nutrition Minta Kasni Parkalayo Ioh Pdiang Sundan Haduk Tylli ki Kali Ambulance but Southly ki Kali Supervisory Vehicle Yakabon Pintrekam the Katanaka Koikakia Jonkanega District Yakini ki Kali Ambulance Lemba Southly ki Kali Supervisory Lathiat Nakapisa Kabla Mangling Baka NITI Ayok Nakabenta ka Aspirational District kaban iPad ikajing syakri hakaban kid nongpang haka CHC but PHC kibadan hanongpo umsning jirang mauhati but Bhoi rembong kiban longrukum kilat ban yakun hapadeng kajing shalin shop ka klam COVID-19 haba pelaj kita ki kali ambulance lembar ki kali supervisory lai shembenta na do ki MLA but MDC ka Bhoi district ki bakin thup uba Meryl Bonds aim MLA ka nongpo ba sostan sotun MLA ka jirang ba Jason Sauk me maulong MLA ka umsning beruba George Billing do MLA ka umroy ki MDC ki bakin thup uba Balajid Rani beruba Victor Rani Haga Jiadon Lang ka Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi district ikong RM Kurba u Dr. M Mauri DMHO lembar ki officer na kitrat sarkar prepare
Saya di kerku naya distrik ke itu baru kau iban ini sekarang bagai health department apa ujian alam jong i DMHO Dr. Mauri tinlak ban menteri kamhok yaki tinlak ban I segi PHC bagi CHC apa ban distrik ke jumi kalau saya ke kerku mar bengisyam ban ilak ke jinduna jung ambulans apa ka distrik ke jumi ka civil hospital nompo ausnam arga katra once upon a time undan ambulans kawai ka marutiban ambulan jonga pengatit dalade IT ke civil hospital atau port makin rang IT ke civil hospital nak taban katar iki nompa adin gatu ayo ambulans ban mendadan sian dan yo sangawi tu lumba ke CSR project paling scam gini gini lanang yo ini ter hamtam ni apa civil hospital kan lo syari kubat kiwi deki PSCs ki badan syari snong repair apa kri Bhoi iki jongi kan lo ngejing kerku.
As representative of Umrah constituency, I would like to especially thank Madam DC and the Health Department for the ambulances that are going to be released for Bhoi CHC and Condemn PHC. Just recently, I had been informed that the ambulance there in Bhoi CHC was not up to the mark and had been sent to the garage many times. So this has come at a very opportune moment for us, and it is a blessing for the people. So on behalf of the people of Umrah constituency, on behalf of the people of the district, I'd like to thank you, Madam, for your leadership, and also for the Health Department for its continuous efforts.
Namar yaladiru nabangapat hapo umsling hapo ka CHC. Kadon ka ambulance. Pada kalau ka ambulance mo ko namar nafipay ka condition ka pin repair lu ma sure. Di kalau gay ba nakani ka fund niyo ko niti ayo bangilala ka chief ka target ng district ko bangilong ka aspirational district yung tray yung pi baru ka do EDC ka team yung pi baru ka niyo kani ka fund kung ka reward bangangit ba kani ka reward ba hindi bangin show sokon do tang niya na mapisuto hi ba ka payment ta hindi tang niya district baru ko ni nang yakun yung pyam jimpang pyam jimpang ba Mengam ira khmat baru berpusat. Banganet kani ka juga tray lang kumuang iba anggaran na omba sanmut ki amali bat sanmut ki MDC. Na try ningiban ka takaway ka common goal. Tatapong Bhoi district ha boro kilian na try na kaway ka sur. Nila pa na chief ya kanu to bagoda na khmat chumi.
As you all know, the Bhante had just mentioned that Bhoi being an aspirational district. Last year we had been the stood first in infrastructure, and for which the district received 3 crores rupees. And with that award money, we had proposed to purchase ambulance, boleros for supervision of the health sector, and also for providing water facility to certain schools. Now, that area has been covered, and it took us some time for these vehicles to be delivered to our district because of the pandemic. It should have been from last year, but somehow things didn't work out as per our plans. But we are very grateful because at this moment we received the vehicles at the right time. As you know, the number of cases are rising day by day, and as I'm speaking, we have to close down a few health centers just now because of the positive cases that are coming up. So therefore, the facilities which we are going to launch today will really help the people in ensuring them the facility of bringing them to the nearest health center from wherever they are.